Guess who's Bliss? Yep, it's me. Check out the all-new episodes of the Powerpuff Girls to meet their new sister. What's up, DStv? Thank you for making me Person of the Week.